Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. Price hasn't really moved a lot this week so far. So yeah, we are still dealing with this possible ABC correction in a wave 4. Yeah, we've been talking about this now for a while, that we get this higher wave 4 as long as price stays above our make or break point at $2.14. Now, we're looking at this as an A, B, C structure. Again, I have to change my view if price breaks below $2.14, but against that level the focus can be on higher. And in this C wave in blue, it is quite important that price now forms a 5-wave move to the upside. That doesn't necessarily need to be an impulse. It could be simply a diagonal structure, an ending diagonal. A C wave can be such a diagonal. And overall, this ABC structure here seems to be a flat structure because the B wave came down quite deep. And I think on the spot chart, it did even overshoot it to the downside. This here is the futures chart. So yeah, we're still here looking for higher in the C wave. In previous videos, we also looked at these retracements highlighted in yellow, the retracement area for this wave 4. And based on that, the first relevant target for this wave 4 is $3.15. That would be quite weak, however, for the wave 4. So ideally, the 391 level would be expected, the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. And as I said, it doesn't need to be a diagonal. It doesn't look like it doesn't need to be an impulse. It could easily be a diagonal. And that's also what I'm following here primarily. I think we have a wave 1 complete here. This was the top on the 21st of May. Then a wave 2 to the downside. The wave 1 is a 3-wave move because the wave count suggests it's a diagonal, which means that each of the subwaves is a 3-wave structure. So the wave 1 would need to be an ABC move. Yeah, so if I zoom in a little bit, we have, if I look at the subwave structure, we have an A wave here to the upside. That is a leading diagonal. Then a B wave down and a C wave up with pretty clear 5 waves to the upside. Then within the wave 2, obviously an ABC, you can see it's a pretty clear 3-wave move. The low of that wave 2 is also our make or break point. We cannot uphold the current wave count if price breaks below that level. And then here on the way up, we also have a 5-wave move to the upside basically, which I count as an A wave. Now in the B wave, so it certainly has a chance to come down a little bit lower in the B wave. I mean, it's not a must, but if you look at this structure here, 5 waves up complete in A, you can also count that as a 3-wave move. Then if this now is the B wave, it ideally goes down to at least 250. Ideally, we're looking at 229 to 250, and from here it then has a chance to rally higher in a C wave. Now, if it breaks above the Wednesday high last week, which is above 288, then it will most likely go directly higher in the C wave and may have produced a very, very shallow B wave already. But overall, the focus is still on higher. The only setback I'm watching for here is maybe a deeper pullback in the B wave before it goes higher. Yeah, the B wave off wave 3. And then afterwards, we're looking for possibly another rally, an impulse in this C wave of wave 3. We also had a C wave here to the upside in the wave 1. Yeah, that's my update about Natgas. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.